California, ain't there? There's 2 of them in California, ain't there? One just south of, I want to say Pinckney or something, but I thought I saw it on this here. Little Beach, El Dorado Canyon takeout. So that's, like I say, that's 15 miles right there. That'd be a day trip, and then one down to Cottonwood Cove, and then one, you know, one our way down, and each time we do it, we have less of a drive. You know, a lot less, 15 or 20 miles, but, and then we can keep on going, do Needles, Topak, Lake Havasu, Parker Dam, and then go south of Parker Dam, and then you're talking the half the state of Arizona. But at 15 miles, you know what I'm saying? It wouldn't take that long to do. I mean, I'm not saying we have to do it like right day after, you know, once a week or something like that. And do the whole fucking river. Film the whole river. You want to see the Colorado River? Here it is. What do you think of that? I think that would be cool. This is cool. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. It's kind of like doing the Grand Canyon. How many people have done it, you know?